Picture this. A retail giant invests in a brand new HVAC system to keep customers and staff comfortable. But instead of smooth operations, the complaints start pouring in. It's freezing in the fitting rooms. The aisles near the checkout are too hot. Despite the expense of new state-of-the-art equipment, temperature complaints rise, productivity drops, and energy costs soar. Why does this happen? Because new HVAC units are not always properly commissioned during installation. Without precise calibration and quality checks, even the best systems fail to meet their potential. Enter DigiMEP, the solution that transforms commercial HVAC installations. With step-by-step guidance, automated quality checks, and real-time diagnostics, DigiMEP ensures your system starts right the first time.